Hey guys, welcome back to Fast Fix. Today I will show you how to delete posts in Facebook. So when you open your app, go to the profile icon at the top right corner. Then tap this profile name right here. Now, if you want to delete a post on Facebook, just tap the three dots at the top right. Then tap on Move to Recycle Bin. So as you can see, move to your recycle bin and just tap on Move. But if you want to delete all your posts on Facebook at once, you just go back to your profile page and then tap the three dots at the right side of your screen. Then go to Activity Log. Then right here, you just need to tap on Manage Your Posts. And you can just check this box so you can delete all the posts in Facebook. Then tap on the Recycle bin and as you can see, move to Trash. Now, if you want to delete a specific post, just tap on Filters and tap on Categories. And you can see the four categories right here. So you just try to tap on this post from other apps. And then here you can see the post from other apps. You just tap this box again, select them all, then tap Recycle Bin. Then tap on Move to Recycle Bin to delete all these items. Now go to the recycle bin as a message pops up. And here on recycle bin, you just tap again this box, all of them at the top, which is the all. And then tap on the three dots at the bottom right corner, then tap on delete. Then as you can see here, items that you delete can't be restored. So tap this delete. Then you need to put your password here. Then once you've done all that, post now is totally removed or deleted on your Facebook. So that's it. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe and ring the bell icon to notify you on the next video.